Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is almost the end of the month. It's literally a week before March ends and we head right into April. So we are going to be doing the eBay reselling. So I have done this the past 2 months since January. I have been interested in, reselling, flipping online, selling on eBay, and it has actually gave me a lot of income lately. And it really just has been increasing. So we started at like $100 something and now this month has doubled, and I am super excited about that. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I don't only do, eBay reselling stuffings. I do, my regular paycheck. I do weekly what I spend in a week. I do money challenges, which are my favorite ones. So all of that combined, we are filming, 3 times a week. So before we get started, I will be out of the country, so I will not be checking, my emails or YouTube or anything like that. But I will be pre-filming. So money challenges are still going to come on Tuesday. We're not going to be doing a weekly spending. We're not going to be doing that, but we are going to be doing probably a updated debt for next Saturday, because I do get paid next week, but I won't be here to film it. So we're going to do that. But anyway, so let's get right into it. So eBay for the month of March, we had a total listing of 63. Now these are like new items. These are old items. I have items that's been there since like the beginning of March. No, the beginning of February, actually. So this is old and new listings. So we had a total of 63 listings. I sold 15 items, which they were small items and big items, and there was a lot of them that was worth a lot. And I do, sold comps. I look at the sold and I see what everybody else is pricing it at, and probably like look at it in between. It's a lot of stuff, a lot of research if you want to do eBay reselling or any reselling at all. So our total profit was $378.25. So that is awesome. Starting from January with like barely $100, and then February was $200, and then this month was $378. That's total. So we're not going to be taking out shipping just yet, but we are going to, and I will tell you the total profit. So shipping, I do charge for shipping. I don't do anything for free shipping or anything like that. So shipping was $112.25. Now that does come out of the $378 that we did for the total. So total profit for me is going to be $266, which is still good. It's still above what we made in January and in February. So that is incredible. Now we're going to take this $266 and we are going to divide it up in all of the categories that we have to do. So tax, I think maybe January, February, I did a 5% tax, but this was a huge month, so I am going to be taking 20% out. So I think a lot of people do like 10% or 20%. So I just did 5% for the couple of months because I didn't think I was going to get really into reselling, but I really am. So we're going to be taking 20% out, and that is actually going to be $52. So we're just going to come down here. So from 266 minus 52, we have $214 to work with. So we're just going to fill all of these in. I already, pre-wrote it down and everything, so it'll just be a little bit smoother. Now eBay's going to get $60. So eBay means like if I have to buy some, not stamps, but ink, paper, bubble wrap, boxes, anything like that. But technically I am not going to be doing any reselling for like a week and a half while I'm gone. So this $60 is actually going to be going towards a yard sale that I am going to be going to while you are watching this, to be honest. It is a huge yard sale at a huge neighborhood. It's a really known neighborhood around here. It's going to be having like at least 30 or so houses. There's about probably like 1,200 houses in the I'm not going to say where it's at, but about 1,200 houses in the neighborhood, and it is crazy, and it's going to be my first year going there, and I'm super excited though. So we're going to be taking $60 and working with that to buy stuff to resell again on eBay for the month of April. Medical is going to be getting $20. Car is getting $20. Renewal is getting $10. Vacation is getting $40. Special occasion is getting $5. Home is going to be getting $5. Christmas is getting $4. Beauty is getting $5. And Dobby is getting $5. And also debt, we are going to be putting $40. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and do the $40, and I have to, let's see, we're going to put it in the miscellaneous envelope. So we're going to go ahead and just put $40 in here just so we can get the debt out of the way. I know I'm going out of order, but it's going to be okay. Now, first is going to be the 52 weeks. So I am going to grab the envelope that we have right here for the taxes. And I said 52 weeks like we're doing the money challenges. $52. So we're going 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. $20, $40, $45, $46, $47, $48, $49, $50, $51, and $52. $52. So we have plus $25. $77. Let's see. Put that in there. We're going to set this aside. So we have $72. Oh, no, $77 actually. $77. eBay is going to get 20, 40, 60, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this in my wallet later on. Moving on to medical. I'm just going to undo that, and we are going to be doing $20. $50, $60, $70, $75, $80, $85, and $86. So that is $86. We're just going to write that in. Car maintenance is getting $20 as well. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. So $110, and then hopefully while I am in Mexico, Jared is going to be taking my car to get a oil change. Renewal is going to be $10, and we are going to do, we're going to do, I think, the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, and 51. So $51 for renewals. Special occasion is getting $5. $2, $40, $60, $80, $1, and $5. So $105. Vacation. Now vacation, I'll explain to it about the Mexico and why this envelope is so thick. So we're going to count this last. home is going to get $5. And this is really just going towards HOA. 20, 40, and 45. Christmas is going to get $4. Yes, I know I don't really stuff Christmas because I do the Ibotta, but you know, we had a little extra to play with. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So $9. And we're just going to put $9. So that, I don't know exactly how much. Beauty is going to be getting $5 as well. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. $49 for beauty. Dobby is getting $5. 20, 40, 45, and 50. And then debt is going to get 40, 20, 40. All right, so I'm going to move this out the way. What happened? 20, 40, 60. Did I already put the 40? No, I didn't. Yes, I did. I did do 40. Because we put it in the miscellaneous. That's why. See, I should have just went in order. Okay, so this $40 is actually going to be going towards vacation. Now with vacation, a lot of people said to bring cash because, you know, you have to tip the waitress or waiter at the, on the cruise ship. You have to, you know, tip the bartender just like you would do in everyday spending when you go to restaurants and stuff. So because of that, and then, you know, if you go shopping and everything, so that is why I have cash. I have a lot of cash, but it'll be fine. Everything will be fine. So we're going to count it, and it's a lot, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get hate for it in the comments, but it's okay. You know, all the groups that I'm going to go with, there's like 6 of us, and we have divvied up a amount that we're probably going to be taking out. So, and then this is from, I think I have like $100 from like my vacation thing, and I did take some of this from my taxes as well, and I put that back. But I don't expect spending all this. I really don't. Okay, so 2, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 7, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, okay, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, and 57. The dollar bill's messed up. So 57, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have $757. So like I said, I'm probably not going to spend anything. And if they don't take cash, my friend has her debit card on for like the cruise line or whatever. And I can just always just give her cash and I can just charge her card. So that is most likely what I'm going to be doing. But yeah. Don't give me hate, please, for, you know, taking a lot of money and a lot of cash on me. But it is going to be secured. I promise you that. But anyways, so that is it, you guys. So that is my March eBay selling, reselling. So just a little recap. We had a total listing of 63 items. We sold 15 of them and had a total of $378.25. The shipping out of this amount was $112.25, and then the total profit is $266 is how much we pocketed. And then the tax, 20%, is $52. So that is it, you guys. I hope y'all have a great rest of the week. Just be reminded that I will be pre-recording these videos for the next week or so. And I will see you guys later. Hopefully I can get some internet. Maybe I can, comment back or something like that. But I'm leaving on Sunday. And I'm super excited. Pray for good vibes. Pray that I don't get sick. Pray that we'll all stay safe and everything. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.